So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve 18. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is drag your clips right here, as you can see. So we have our two clips right here, or two photos that you want to use the adjustment clip on. So all you have to do is go to effects and then drag your adjustment clip just above those. And then from there, once you have done that, it will apply any type of effect right below all your media. So this adjustment clip will actually go ahead and try to actually adjust everything else that you didn't have to adjust right before. So this will affect your clips, all clips that you have placed. So for example, that we are placing a lot of clips right here, so like this. So to affect both of them, so when you place effects and then you go and do something like blur, for example. So let's just search up blur. So I'll go with blur right here. Oh, it's not there, so it's just blur dissolved, for example. So just drag it over there. It will be able to affect both clips or just the one clip that you have certainly just chose. So you can actually also do it with zoom, as you can see right here. So once you have done with zoom, it's also gonna zoom in, zoom out, just like normal. When we place two right here, it will zoom in both clips and you don't have to adjust individual clips like usual. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.